and welcome to another yarn hook needles tutorial. Today I want to show you how I make a crochet slip knot. It's very simple and very easy, but if you're finding that you're struggling or your knots just aren't very strong, maybe this tutorial will help. So basically what I like to do is I take my yarn and I have my tail on the left hand side and I have my working yarn on the right. So I create a little bit of a loop, I stick my fingers in, I do a twist, I bend down, pick up the working yarn, and make a loop, just like that. I insert my crochet hook, pull that working yarn tight, and it goes perfectly against my hook. Now I'm going to show this to you just a couple more times so you can see what I'm doing. Tail on the left, working yarn on the right. Hold those together, stick your fingers in, twist, reach down, grab that working yarn, pull through. Just like that. One more time. Tail on the left, working yarn on the right, twist, reach down and grab that working yarn, draw through, just like that. Very simple, very easy, and this is my go-to way of creating a slip knot. So if you thought that this video was helpful, please share it with other makers in your communities, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, through email, or locally, and like and subscribe to the Yarn Hook Needles channel, and be sure that you turn on post notifications for more crochet videos, tutorials, tips, helps, patterns, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.